corner of the grey hangar, just to the south of the commentary point. And if you've lost anything like that, our one and only jet aircraft display here today. If we couldn't fit the jet engines to the bits. This is David Gibbs, the Jet Provost 2 Mark 5. You know what I was saying earlier about training aircraft? The ideal training aircraft is easy to fly but difficult to fly well. Well, this is one of those. Put air intakes next to just where the wing joins the fuselage and gave it a nose wheel instead of a tail wheel undercarriage. If you look at the piston Provost of this aircraft, the whole rear fuselage and the tailplane are exactly the same. Undercarriage, but quite bizarre on the ground. Realised by the Mark III that wasn't necessary. So the 3, 4 and 5 will have a much shorter undercarriage. So pilots joining the Royal Air Force would start their initial flying training on aircraft like the Chipmunk, or later on the Bulldog. That was solved in the Mark V with the introduction of a very much bulge canopy and a fully pressurised cockpit. See that over the cockpit. That's interesting. Having said that about the aircraft, I was talking to a guy who used to instruct on these at Linton-on-Ouse. And he said, I don't know why they made it pressurised, I don't know why they made ours pressurised. I said, why, what did you do? And he said, well, we were doing low-level navigation training. I don't think I ever got above 1,000 feet in the entire time I was there. This particular aircraft, built by the British Aircraft Corporation, Warton in 1970. Entered service at RAF Leeming, which used as a pilot training aircraft. But at that time, this was before the Red Arrows, which were formed in '65. An awful lot of Royal Air Force units had their own aerobatic teams, and this was particularly true. So this particular aircraft served with both the Gemini pair, purchased by Jeff Bell in 2007. It's now in what is honestly described as immaculate condition, and it genuinely is. It's a beautiful aircraft. It's wearing today the markings of its last service unit, 6 FTS. Being flown for us today by David John Gibbs, known universally as DJ, born in Southport. Started his flying career on helicopters in the Royal Navy. Eventually becoming a fixed-wing instructor on the Firefly and Shooter. He served as an examiner in the Central Flying School.